What is up, everybody? My name is Dylan, Space Cadet Crypto, and today we're going to be covering SHIBA because we do have huge news about SHIBA potentially being listed onto eToro very soon, because we have a lot of teasers coming from eToro, but we're going to be jumping into that, the price of SHIBA, any new updates. So if that interests you, remember to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss on any important updates that I have here on my channel, because I'm going to be doing these pretty much daily. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so right now we do see that SHIBA is at 0.000068, down 7%, and it is also underperforming in the crypto market because we do see the total cryptocurrency market is down 4%. So it is doing worse than the total cryptocurrency market right here. We do have a market cap of 2.6 billion, and we do have a volume also going down in the last 24 hours. So less people are trading right now. And if we take a look right now at the holders, we can see that we are still on a steady incline of new holders. So unique addresses to the SHIBA token that people are opening up in order to buy, sell, trade SHIBA is increasing every single day. Here yesterday or 2 days ago, we had 590,000 addresses, and now we have 591,000 addresses. So we are seeing a gradual increase. Right now it has been slowing down the last couple of days, but we are going to still see this increasing until we see another new exchange listing. Then we can see that those numbers go up even more. But right now you can see total addresses 591,000, and active addresses in the last 24 hours have been 14,000. And we are actually seeing an increase in SHIBA swaps total value liquidity that's locked in. So let's take a look at that. All right, so as you can see, SHIBA swap actually has a total value locked in at $1.65 billion. So it's increasing every single day. This is one of the highest value locked in for SHIBA swap in a while now, since it opened. It opened recently last week for around $1 billion in total value locked in. So a lot of people are staking and adding to liquidity pools here for SHIBA swap and earning that passive income, that's interest on those transactions for swapping out for different tokens, or for just staking and placing your SHIBA here and adding and earning interest. So let's take a look now at what eToro is actually saying that gives us hints that SHIBA swap is actually going to be, or SHIBA token is going to be added to eToro very soon. All right, so right now we are on eToro's Twitter page, and they did post this yesterday, this tweet: "So hot, I am bullish." And if we look at the first letters of each one of these words, we do see that it spells out SHIB, S-H-I-B. So this was their first hint here, talking about adding SHIBA to their platform, to the exchange. And if you don't know what eToro is, it's an Israeli company. They are an exchange, and they do trade cryptocurrencies. So as you can see here, digital currencies at your fingertips. You've probably already seen their ads on YouTube as well. When they added Doge Coin, they added so many different ads and put them on YouTube. So you might have seen them in front of this in this channel as well. But they are a very large crypto trading platform, and they're very safe and secure. So they are well known, and they do have a lot of name recognition already. So adding SHIB to their platform could increase the SHIB price exponentially once we get word of them adding it. So be on the lookout for that. And also we can see here how many users eToro has. They have more than 20 million users at the moment for eToro. So that's a huge amount of users. So now let's take a look at what they actually tweeted today. So 10 hours ago, they did post this tweet here. And if we see here, they wrote BTC, only 2 comments, 3 retweets, and 20 likes. So they're kind of posting a jab at Bitcoin right now because it is falling. A lot of people are losing interest in crypto in general. And then we see this other token listing, and it says here the dollar sign, and we have 4 letters here missing. So they're trying to be cryptic, but we can also put in SHIB, right? S-H-I-B. And they do get 800 likes or 800 comments, 1,500 retweets, and more than 2,000 likes. So here, there's another hint that they may be posting SHIB very soon. And we do have a lot of people here saying it's going to be SHIB, right? SHIB, you already know. SHIB, Shiba Army. Here, last chance we are starting to get irritated with the false hope and trolling of a good joke turns into bullying after a certain amount of time, and you, sir, are teetering on the Shiba Army's good fun and angry line. So almost to keep replying. So they are responding to some of these tweets, and it says, I wonder what likes you will get without putting SHIB or teasing Shiba Army in your tweet. Not going to touch more than 200. And they said, we will find out soon. So it's getting more and more likely that they're going to be adding Shiba token very, very soon to eToro. And remember, when they have 20 million users, that's going to be a whole lot of new active addresses. They're going to be adding SHIB, trading SHIB, buying SHIB, selling it as well. So we're going to see a lot of volatility coming very, very soon. So without further ado, why don't we jump into the price of Shiba and take a look at where it's going to be going right now, because we are seeing weakness in the market in general. All right, so we're going to be looking at SHIB right now. We do see that it's trading at 0.000007, so 5 zeros and then a 7. And I did warn in my previous video, once I saw this lower high being put in right there, I noticed that we were forming a double top pattern. We have a higher high and then a lower high, and then we create this M pattern where it reverses to a neckline, and the neckline is going to be right here, this horizontal resistance that we had put in when Shiba's price reached that 9 to 10 level, came back down, made a lower high, came back down to that same area, and then right here we had the retest. So it came out, broke through that support, that horizontal support, which remember, when every time you see a horizontal support, that is a bearish sign, because a lot of the bearish patterns, so the patterns that signify that the price is going to be going lower, are they do have a lot of horizontal support, especially for these reversal M patterns. And we actually did hit that price target, so we went up, down, up, down. So I measured the move right here, so from the top all the way down to the neckline, placed it back here when we broke out or we broke down, and we actually hit that price target right here exactly at around 6.5. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, the whole time we were coming down, as soon as I saw this rejection here coming back up into this area of support previously and now into resistance, I saw that we were going to be going much lower, and we did end up hitting that price target. So now the real question is, are we going to stay here? Are we going to find support here, or are we going to be going and trading down lower? Well, that is a great question, and it's also the question on everybody's mind. But right now we are printing sort of a bullish pattern right now. We do have right here some sort of descending wedge, falling wedge. So that those are bullish patterns, and those usually break out to the upside, and the price target is going to be around here towards where the pattern started. So we are going to have to be on the lookout for that. But as of right now, we are still seeing some weakness. We are having this descending resistance, and it's been touched multiple times here, tested here, here, here. So we could bounce off here and then retest it one more time before getting an initial breakout. But as of right now, we are still in a downwards trend here. We are making lower highs on the RSI 2, meaning that we are gonna keep trading here lower in the short period. But right now, this is the 4-hourly chart. So if we look at our moving averages, all these moving averages as well are curving downwards with our support or with our resistance that I drew as well. So all these green, so this yellow, orange, and red line, the 21 to 50 and the 200-day moving average, are acting as dynamic resistance, curving the price downward, and also this this diagonal resistance that I just erased here is also pushing the price down as well. So we do have to hold this. We have to hold this blue box. It's very important. If we keep trading down below, lower than this 50% of the blue box, and start trading below this diagonal support here as well, that can spell a lot of trouble for the SHIBA token, and that could get us to move down here to these lower price range at around the 5 level. So what I think now is we could be potentially making this descending falling wedge, and also a W pattern right here with a neckline being right here at around 7.4. So we have to be on the lookout for that. Remember, if you don't want to miss any of these important updates, make sure to like and subscribe. But if we do see an announcement from eToro saying that they're going to be adding the SHIBA token, we can see the price actually bounce really high and make it up to these areas here that we made it every single time we found a new listing here for Coinbase, when SHIBA Swap was announced as well. It's all going to be moving the price up here to these higher levels at around the 9 and 10 range. So we are still on the lookout for that. Remember to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss on any important updates. I appreciate all my supporters so far here supporting my channel. And that is it for me. I hope you found this informative. Peace out.